Hi, Chef Joe Crockett with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making an oven fried chicken and french fries. So the first step is to get our chicken in to marinate. So we have a little bit of buttermilk here, got some salt, some pepper, and some garlic. We have our chicken breast, which we're going to drop in just a second. So we're going to season this. Want some pepper. Pinch of salt. And our garlic. We could add anything to this from paprika to cumin to more garlic. You could use garlic powder if you don't have fresh garlic. So really feel free to kind of improvise and use whatever flavors you like in this marinade. All right, so we're going to drop our chicken breast in. And these are going to set for about 30 minutes in this buttermilk. And the enzymes in buttermilk actually help to kind of start to break down the muscle fibers of the chicken, and it does kind of make it a little bit more tender. You could even let this set overnight if you have time. All right, so we're going to pop this into the fridge and let it set for 30 minutes. All right, so now we're ready to prep our fries and get our chicken in the oven. The fries have just been cut down in advance. We've seasoned them with a little bit of salt, pepper, drizzled them with oil, or you could spray them with a cooking spray. And now we're going to put some cheese on them. For ease, I'm doing this on the same sheet that I'm going to do the chicken in. The time is very slightly different, so you're not going to notice that much of a difference there. So for ease and for cleanup's sake, we're going to do them in the same sheet, but you could do these a little bit in advance if you wanted to, and then pop your chicken in. That's really up to you. So we're going to bread our chicken. We have breadcrumbs here. It's been marinating in the garlic and the salt, the pepper, and the buttermilk. And drain off most of the excess buttermilk. Place it in the breadcrumbs. And kind of pack it down so that it adheres. Okay, and as always, you can season your breadcrumbs. Salt, pepper, or any other seasonings you want. Lift it up, kind of shake off your excess. And go right on the baking sheet. Okay. Same thing as the first time. Place it on the baking sheet. All right, so now I'm going to drizzle these with a little bit of oil, or you could also spray these with some cooking spray. Pop them brown. All right, and these are going to go in the oven at 425 degrees for about 30 minutes, give or take. You want to check with your instant read thermometer to make sure that it reaches the appropriate internal temperature. We're going to pop these in. We'll come back and give them a check. We're going to come through after about 10-12 minutes and kind of shake the fries around a little bit and then let them go for a little bit longer. All right, so we're ready to check our chicken and fries, and they look great. We tossed our fries about halfway through. Got the cheese nice and caramelized, got some browning on the fries. All right, our chicken's nice and golden brown. So what we'll do, we'll slice this up, plate it up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.